friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. In today's video, we're gonna do a new thing. We will be working on the ending sound, the ending family of oi. Oh, yeah, oi. So far, we've been working on the middle sound of o as well as a. We've been changing the beginning and the ending sound, but we've been working on the middle sound of o as well as a. Today I brought a new concept of ending sound of oi. Oh, yeah, oi. Let's see and let's get started. So the sound is oh, yeah, oi. If I add the beginning sound of b to oi, it becomes boy. But I do have friends who are now very well versed with the idea of first two sounds. So they would want to join b, oh, bo, yeah, boy. Why do we prefer oi sound instead of joining the first two? Because if you try and join the sound b, oh, bo, y makes the sound of y, bo, yeah, bo, yeah. It doesn't help my friend to understand how bo, yeah turns out to be boy. That is why when it comes down to y, we try and join the last two sounds and make it a family. Oi, boy, ka, oi, koi, oi, foi, j, oi, joy. Let's try and use our inner voice and try and say the word boy, koi, foi, joy. Very good job. Let's try some more words. Ho, yeah, hoy. No, let's try it the other way. Ha, oi, hoy. Ta, oi, toy. S, oi, soy. Oi, noi. Sometimes parents do ask me, Miss Suman, how will a kid remember whether he has to join the first two sounds or the later two sounds? So the answer to that is practice. They can watch these videos as many times as they want, but it should come down to a stage where they look at a word and they can remember the word, or try joining the sounds because they remember the method to do so. There is no other way. It's all about practice. Let's try using our inner voice and try these words. Toy, soy, hoy, noi. Very good job. And last one is also oi word. Let's try one time together. This is oi. N, j, enj, oi, enjoy. Also can be done as this. They know oi and they know joy. Enjoy, enjoy. I am very proud of you all. I'm sure you will enjoy this video. And if you do, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.